Well, hope you're keeping cool. The week is certainly off to a hot start. There we are on a Monday evening, the view from the Charlottesville camera, and not a whole lot of cumulus clouds right now, and it hasn't been very busy today in terms of any shower, thunder shower. A few locations did see a few. 93, the current reading at the airport, made it up to 96 this afternoon. Now, it's certainly more humid than it was last week, and it's certainly going to be the case as we go through the next several days, but that number's not overly humid. It's not above 70, but still, it's muggy. Southerly winds now at 14. We've got numbers in the Shenandoah Valley of 90 with sunshine. Southerly winds at 11. Some other readings across the region. We've got 87 in Madison, where you saw a little shower earlier, 91 there in Orange, 88 in Palmyra. We've got 91 in Livingston, 86 in Waynesboro, and 88 currently in Harrisonburg. Things are pretty quiet now on NBC29's Doppler radar network. We did have a few isolated showers, thunder showers work through the region earlier this afternoon. Not a whole lot of widespread coverage, obviously, and that's going to be the case here the next couple of days. Although in this environment, the heat, the humidity, we could certainly see isolated severe storm tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday. But again, isolated is the key word. Temperatures here overnight, muggy, warm. Temperatures upper 60s to low 70s. A little bit of patchy fog. Another hot, more humid day tomorrow, low and mid 90s. That means those heat index values, the real field temperature during the afternoon, anywhere from the mid 90s to around 100. So take all those precautions and steps to stay cool. Again, a marginal risk is highlighted for tomorrow, Tuesday, for a storm that could produce a damaging wind gust or some spotty hail, isolated in nature, but that's the environment that we're dealing with. Now, we've got low and mid 90s not only tomorrow, but Wednesday and Thursday. And so this August heat wave is going to be holding firm here rest of this week. As we shift gears now and take a look at the tropics, this disturbance that you see here that is beginning to approach the Lesser Antilles has just been upgraded to a potential tropical cyclone. Meanwhile, the National Hurricane Center is likely going to designate this a storm later tonight or tomorrow as it approaches the Lesser Antilles and then begins to work up toward the Virgin Islands, out toward Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and then eventually, if it holds together, of course, it will encounter some land interaction potentially, make it up to the Florida Keys by the end of the week. That's something that we'll watch. The next storm will be Fred. So things are fairly quiet here this evening. We'll watch a disturbance coming in from the west, and a lot of this will kind of weaken here tonight. There is a storm that's lifting up toward the Great Lakes. Unless it's been rain cooled like through the Ohio Valley, temperatures are certainly hot, and again, the humidity is going to build the next couple of days. So quiet here tonight. Temperatures in the morning either side of 70. Hot, humid tomorrow. Temperatures low in mid 90s. A few thunderstorms developing during the afternoon, especially as we get, say, after 4, 5, 6 o'clock, and then those will kind of wane tomorrow evening once the sun goes down, and then we'll kind of do it all over again here for Wednesday. We'll start either side of 70. A hit or miss storm can't be ruled out Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures there, again, will be in the low and mid 90s. So partly cloudy here tonight, some patchy fog either side of 70. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We've got an August heat wave this week, and temperatures will continue to climb. Those heat index values during the afternoon, especially the next several days, will be near or above 100. So take all those steps to stay cool. As we approach the weekend, a front will be moving closer to us, and that'll begin to knock the temperatures down by the tail end of the weekend into next week. Summer alive and well. Stay cool.
Stay the light clothing.
There you go.
Eric.